Check out the next one I'm doing. Toyota Tundra. I think it looks pretty good. Let y'all check it out. Oh, here's just let's figure this out. This is a 20. Probably 21. Made in October. Look at that, 16,000 miles. They barely drive this thing. It's getting a ready lift kit. 3 and 2. 3 in the front, 2 in the rear. Lift it up and level it out. It's not getting wheels and tires, so see if we can't knock this out quickly. Mr. Brown just left, so I have to guide myself in here. And it's pretty good, someone right there. Leave it right there. 22s. This dude has little grenades as the valve stem cap. Now we go up. About there. Open up this lift kit. Sway bar extensions, rear, then disc drop. Rear. Easy enough. First things first, y'all know the deal. Hold jack in the front, just cross member. Alright, get these shocks off. 19s. Right. Boom, boom. Perfect. Bungee on our drive shaft. Perfect. Then we loosen. It's gonna be 19s. Alright, leave that like that. Alright. Torque. I'm leaving. Goodbye. Trust no one but yourself and the one above. Wise words of the day. Ooh, can y'all hear that? Stomach is growling. So I'm getting some to control arms, even though it is gonna go to alignment. So it's good to mark it to where it was and put it back to where it was between fours. That. Nut. Oh, there was a nut. Okay. These are easy to strip, so please don't strip them, because then they're gonna come to me. I'm gonna have to fix it. I don't want to be fixing it because I hate doing it. I know how to do it, but I hate doing it. So just start them with your hand every time. You'll be all right. Now we need 2 more. And just like that. Can send it. Alright, all that's done. Alright, drop this sway bar. Do that like that, torque it down later. Up with the mating surface. Slap these on there. Old nuts go back on there. Get a big screwdriver, stick it in the hole, and then you can go ahead and tighten those up. As tight as you can. Alright, put these back in here. Alright. Alright, y'all. That's it. Everything's on there. Sway bar's tight. Sway bar extension is on there, tight. Tie rod is on there, tight. Gotta put the cotter pin in. Strut spacer, tight. Lower strut bolt, tight. Control arms, tight. Ball joints, tight. So everything both sides is done. Go ahead and put this cotter pin in here. I'm hungry, my head hurts, I haven't eaten, so getting to that point where you get hangry, you know. All right, get these wheels on, and we're done. think we're gonna have to probably adjust this tie rod a little bit. I think on these it's like 130 or something. I think 154. All right. $154. Get no brakes around here. All right, y'all, that's it. I'm done with this one. As y'all can see, that's what she looks like now after everything's been done. She definitely looks higher than she was before, which is good. That's what we want. All right, on to the next.